How to change reason in Steam. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to do that, you can follow the steps. So for that, go ahead and open up your Steam, and from this interface, you can head over to the top, click on your profile, and go to account details. Click on it. After going to account details, you will be finding this on your screen. Now from here, in the store and purchase history, in order to change your reason, you should be finding country section here. So go ahead and click on update store country. After clicking on it, you will be taken to this page. So in order to do that, you need to contact the Steam support team. Go ahead and click on this contact Steam support. And in this page, you need to scroll down and head over to contact Steam support again. After clicking on it, in this section of the space, you need to select your country in which you want to change it by dropping it down and selecting up a country, any of your country that you belong. And in this description page, you need to provide a detail why would you like to change and convince them in order to change your reason. And you can also attach a file right below it if you want for more description and send it. And then they should review your request and they should probably help you change your reason. So that's it for now. You can follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.